Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So it was a mixed session yesterday. The first session post the union budget. The benchmark indices were down by 0.3% each, led by selling by FIIs, while the broader markets outperformed with the mid cap index up 1% and the small cap index up 1.8%. Among the major gainers were HDFC Life, Tech Mahindra, Tata Motors, ONGC, Sun Pharma, and Reliance. While on the losing side, we had Bajaj Finserv, Axis Bank, HUL, Hero MotoCorp, JSW Steel, and Bharti Airtel. Sectorally, the oil and gas index was up 1.7%, followed by the telecom index, which was up 1.2%, and the consumer durable index was up 1.1%. While on the losing side, we had the banking index, which was down 1%, and the FMCG index was down 0.2%. Coming to the market breadth, so 2800 stocks on the advancing side versus 1094 on the declining side. In terms of 52-week highs, 130 stocks touched 52-week highs yesterday with names such as Ashoka Buildcon, Crompton Consumer, Federal Bank, Gravita, ITC, and Kalyan Jewellers. While on the that is on the 52-week low side, we had 14 stocks trading at 52-week lows. In terms of institutional flows, the FIIs yesterday net sold 5,131 crores, while the DIIs net bought 3,137 crores. In terms of the key results that would be reported today, so Aavas Financials, Adani Green, Ashok Leyland, AU Small Finance Bank, Canara Bank, Chalet Hotels, Scient, DLF, Glenmark Life Sciences, Go Digit General Insurance, as well as plenty of other names also will be reporting their numbers. Some names such as Mahanagar Gas, Nestle India, Praj Industries, Tech Mahindra, United Breweries, UTI AMC, and Westlife Food World. In terms of the global cues, today the global cues look very weak with large-scale selling on Wall Street led by the tech-heavy stocks. The earnings have been disappointing, and these stocks have seen their worst single-day sell-off since 2022. So the Nasdaq overnight was down 3.6%, the Dow Jones was down 1.3%, and the S&P also was lower by 2.3%. Tesla fell 12%, its worst day since September 2020, after reporting lowest margin in 5 years. Google, that is Alphabet, also dropped 5%. Despite good Q2 earnings, but investors focused on advertising revenue growth slowdown. Asia is also witnessing a sell-off today, led by weakness across Nikkei, Kospi, as well as the Hang Seng. And the GIFT Nifty is also indicating a big gap down opening of about 230 to 250 points today. In terms of stock-specific news, so RBL Bank will be in focus. Bearing Private Equity Asia will be exiting the company today by selling its entire 7.9% stake in a block deal today. BSE also will be in focus. The company has received SEBI's nod to act as a research analyst and investment advisor administration body, and this business will start effective 25th July. So neutral to positive for BSE. RBNL has won another order from Southeastern Railway for a 192 crore construction project, so positive for RBNL. In terms of key results that were reported yesterday post market hours, so Axis Bank reported 12% NII growth and 4% YOY profit growth. However, gross NPAs were up so at 1.54% versus 1.43% QOQ. So a slight pressure on the asset quality. Expect a negative opening for Axis Bank today. L&T reported a good set of numbers, so revenue was up 15% YOY, coming above estimates. However, the profit was below estimates, and that will lead to a mixed sort of reaction for L&T today. The margins were maintained at 10.2% versus 10.2% YOY as well. Order book stands at 4.9 lakh crore, which is 2.2 times consolidated annualized sales based on the Q1 numbers. Weak results from JK Paper. So revenue was up 8%, however EBITDA was down 41%, and net profit was down 55%. So very weak set of numbers from JK Paper. Hitachi Energy reported good set of numbers, revenue growth of 28% YOY, EBITDA growth of 42%, and net profit increasing 5 times to 10 crores. Bikaji Foods also reported strong numbers, revenue growth of 19% YOY, EBITDA up 39% YOY, and net profit also up 40% YOY. Oracle Financial also reported strong numbers, so revenue growth of 6% on a QOQ basis, coming above estimates, EBIT growth of 16% on a QOQ basis, and net profit also increasing by 10% QOQ. So above estimate numbers, expect a positive reaction for Oracle Financial. Ramkrishna Forgings also reported mixed set of numbers, so revenue growth of 13% YOY, but profit was impacted, so EBITDA was up just 8% and the net profit was up just 3%. So overall weak set of numbers from Ramkrishna Forgings. IGL or Indraprasth Gas reported decent set of numbers. Revenue was down 2% QOQ, but EBITDA was up 11% and net profit also was up 11% on a QOQ basis. So strong margins from IGL. IEX reported a good set of numbers. Revenue growth of 21% YOY and net profit was up 26% YOY. Sona BLW revenue growth of 21% YOY, EBITDA was up 23% and net profit was up 27%, coming largely in line with estimates. So positive numbers from Sona BLW. PG Electroplast reported bumper numbers, revenue growth of 95%, EBITDA doubling YOY, and net profit also up 147% YOY. So very strong set of numbers from PG Electroplast. A strong set of numbers from EPAC Durables as well. So both the contract manufacturers of ACs reporting very strong set of numbers in Q1. Jindal Steel and Power reported numbers that were above estimates, so expect positive reaction for Jindal Steel and Power as well. HFCL also reported a strong set of numbers, and the commentary also was strong, so positive for HFCL as well. Craftsman Automation reported revenue growth of 11% YOY. However, profit was impacted with EBITDA down 8% YOY, coming below estimates, and the net profit down 26% YOY, also coming below estimates. So weak set of numbers from Craftsman Automation. A good set of numbers from Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC with net profit up 28% YOY and coming above estimates. So those were the result updates. In terms of bulk deals yesterday, so VST Industries, Radhakishan Damani has sold around 0.6% stake through one entity and 1.7% stake through another entity at 4100 rupees per share. While in corporate action, the stocks going ex-dividend today are Radico Khaitan, Orient Electric, Hind Rectifiers, Datamatics, Bhansali Engineering and MRF, while KSB pumps will be going split today. So that's it on the morning podcast today. Have a good trading session. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.